Hello and welcome to Cryssberry Reviews once again. So today our product for review is Milton Thermosteel 24 hours hot and cold beverage dispenser flask. So without further delay, let's check the product. So let's go. So this is the Milton Thermosteel beverage dispenser 2500 ml hot and cold. That is about 2.5 liters. It stores liquids hot and cold for 24 hours. That's what they say. So this is a product, and if you can see, you have this off and on button here. I will tell you what this is for later. So first let me open this flask. So you have a button here, you have to press it and just open it. This is what it looks like inside. And then you have a siphon here, which you can actually just turn it like this. If you can see it, you have to turn it like this to open it. So this is the siphon. Can you see it? It's made of steel. The straw is made of steel. So that's the inside of it. It's really hot. I have some hot water inside. So hope you can see it. So put it back and then again turn this knob to lock the siphon. Just a second. Yeah. Okay, it's done. So here is the on and off button. When you turn it on, you can press this and take water. This is the pump. So press this. And take water. See, this water I have put it last night and it's really hot. So when you turn this off, you can't press it anymore. It gets locked. So let me show you how hot this water is. It's a tea bag. Can you see? It's really hot. It's hot enough to make a nice black tea. So about retaining the temperature, yes, it does retain the temperature, whether hot or cold. It retains the temperature for about 24 hours, and the pump is also working fine. As I told you, it's been about 1 year that I have purchased this product and everything is working fine. It's on our dining table, so everybody uses it, and it's really strong and sturdy, and it is a must buy product if you want to drink your beverages hot or cold, or you want to retain it for a long time. Yes, and this is the handle. It's easy to carry and it's also very strong. So as I told you, the product is really good and helpful in storing hot and cold beverages like black tea, black coffee, hot water, whatever it is. But however, I wouldn't recommend storing tea or coffee with milk, because it is going to be difficult to clean the flask, especially if the milk gets into the siphon, and it's not going to be very easy to clean it. So otherwise, this is a very good product if you want to store water or black tea or black coffee or whatever hot beverages without milk. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you liked my video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that. So see you soon. Until then, bye. Thank you.